What are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrency is a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange. Coin ownership records and the records of new created coin are stored in a digital ledger, as well as to verify the transfer of coin ownership. This is basically some kind of a bookkeeping mechanism. Cryptocurrency does not typically exist in physical form like paper money, and is typically not issued by a central authority. Some cryptocurrencies use decentralized control, meaning there's no central authority behind them, like Bitcoin, as opposed to centralized digital currency like JP Morgan coin. The function of the JP Morgan coin or centralized digital currency is very similar to central banking systems as we know them. I want to speak a bit about the working mechanism behind all of that. And the working mechanism is actually quite straightforward. Take a wallet, for example. Like you have a physical wallet, you have an online wallet, and it's used to spend or store funds, among other reasons, but let's say that that's the bottom line. And to give you a walkthrough, let's say I have one coin in my wallet, and this coin has been offered to, say, John for fixing my fence. I've used his wallet address to send the coin and signed it with my signature. Once this has been done, it's been broadcasted automatically to the blockchain. Then kicks in a network of independent nodes that will validate the transaction. And this is a process that by itself requires explaining, but essentially those nodes are operated by miners. Miners are entities that their job or purpose is to maintain the blockchain. They are doing that by validating transactions, maintaining the books, but essentially the bottom line is they're creating consensus between all the nodes in the world to have the same ledger. And their reward for the work is newly minted Bitcoin. We will talk more about the reward system when we speak about the halving events. But back to our story. Once the transaction has been broadcasted, validated, and settled, it's irreversible and impossible to change. So T+0 settlement time. A quick note about wallets. An e-wallet comes with two keys. One key is the public key. The public key is used to receive funds and to find the transactions that this wallet did on the blockchain. From the other hand, you have the private key. The private key is used to send funds. And this is the only thing that entitles ownership in the blockchain terms. Now, back in the day, anyone could have mined Bitcoin or any other decentralized crypto on a home computer. Today, however, it's quite impossible. The computer power and electricity needed is in industrial level. Looking at developments in this market, some of the world's biggest technology giants have led some of the biggest efforts in recent years. A good example is Microsoft. Microsoft has been an active member of the Ethereum Enterprise Alliance, launching the blockchain Azure Workbench, among other contributions that they did. But similarly, you have Amazon with Amazon Web Services, Facebook Libra, IBM, Oracle, all created cloud-based services powered by blockchain. And since the release of Bitcoin in 2009, over 6,000 altcoins have been created, some of them powered by this type of technologies.